Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have just purchased the Eufy E340 Floodlight camera and you want to set it up properly, then don't worry, I'm going to show you installation setup and how you can use it step by step. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. This particular camera is wired, so it needs a proper power connection to work. So you need to first of all download the Eufy security application on your phone. Afterwards, you just have to create your account over here if you haven't already. Now, once that is done, you need to power the camera temporarily using the USB cable and you need to add it inside the app. This makes the setup much easier before even the installation. Now you need to pick a spot near your front or the back door or driveway with strong Wi-Fi signals. Just make sure that it is mounted on a wall or a junction box for proper wiring. Now you need to go to the main switchboard and then you need to first of all turn off the power before installing. This is for safety while handling the wires. Now, once you have done that, you need to follow these simple steps. First of all, you need to attach the mounting bracket to the wall, then connect the wires. These wires should be live, ground, and neutral. Now, you need to fix the camera onto the bracket, tighten the screws properly, and then turn the power back on. So once this is done, simply open the application and follow further instructions in order to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network, which can be either 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. So once connected, you will see the live videos on your phone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.